Hello, good morning friends. In last lecture, we see solution of triangles in which we see sine rule, projection rule and cosine rule. Now today we see solution of triangles examples based on sine, cosine and projection rules. So see first example. In triangle ABC, if A equals to 30 degree, B equals to 60 degree, then find the ratio of its side. So to find ratio of its sides means to find A as to B as to C. So we have to given angle A equals to 30 degree, angle B equals to 60 degree. As A, B, C are the angles of the triangle, so sum of angles A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C equals to 90 degree. By sine rule, A upon sine A equals to B upon sine B equals to C upon sine C. A upon sine 30 degree equals to B upon sine 60 degree equals to C upon sine 90 degree. So we substitute values of sine 30 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. We get A upon 1 by 2 equals to B upon root 3 by 2 and C upon 1. And therefore A as to B as to C equals to 1 by 2 into as to root 3 by 2 as to 1. And that is A as to B as to C equals to A as to 3 as to 2. That is the ratio of the sides of triangle are 1 as to 3 as to 2. Next example. In triangle ABC, if A equals to 2, B equals to 3 and sine A equals to 3 by 2, then find B means angle B. So by sine rule, A upon sine A equals to B upon sine B. Because we have to given here side A and B and corresponding angles side A and angle B. So we use only sine rule for only two ratios A upon sine A equals to B upon sine B. Therefore, substituting values, we get 2 upon 2 by 3 equals to 3 upon sine B. Therefore, sine B equals to 1. Therefore, B equals to 90 degree, that is pi by 2. Next example. In triangle ABC, prove that A into bracket sine B minus sine C plus B into bracket sine C minus sine A plus C into bracket sine A minus sine B equals to 0. So its solution, LHS LHS equals to A into bracket sine B minus sine C plus B into bracket sine C minus sine A plus C into bracket sine A minus sine B. So equals to A sine B minus A sine C plus B sine C minus B sine A plus C sine A minus C sine B. We open the brackets. Now we collect the terms A sin B minus B sin A plus B sin C minus C sin B plus C sin A minus A sin C. So which is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0. So equals to RHS. Next example. In triangle ABC, prove that A minus B sin C plus B minus C into sin A plus C minus A into sin B equals to 0. So LHS equals to A minus B into sin C plus B minus C into sin A plus C minus A into sin B. Now we open the brackets, means multiplying sin C to A minus B, multiplying sin A to B minus C, and multiply sin B to C minus A. So we get A sin C minus B sin C plus B sin A minus C sin A plus C sin B minus A sin B. So we also collect same way A sin C minus C sin A plus B sin A minus A sin B plus C sin B minus B sin A. So by sign rule, its value 0 plus 0 plus 0. So we get 0, and which is equals to RHS. Next example. In triangle ABC, if A equals to 45 degree, B equals to 60 degree, then find the ratio of its sides. So solution: to find the ratio A as to B as to C, given A equals to 45 degree, B equals to 60 degree. We know that sum of angles of triangles is 180 degree. So A, B, C are the angles of triangle. Therefore A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. So 45 plus 60 plus C equals to 180 degree. So we get C equals to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So C equals to 75 degree. So here we get all three angles A, B and C. Now we know that in triangle ABC, by sine rule, we have A upon sin A equals to B upon sin B equals to C upon sin C. And we find the ratio. So substitute values of angles. So we get A upon sin 45 degree equals to B upon sin 60 degree equals to C upon sin 75 degree. Therefore, A as to B as to C equals to sin 45 degree as to sin 60 degree as to sin 75 degree. Now sin 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2 and sin 60 degree equals to root 3 by 2. And value of sin 75 degree? So we find sin 75 degree equals to sin of 30 degree plus 40 degree, and by using rule sin A plus B, we get sin 30 degree cos 45 degree plus cos 30 degree sin 45 degree. So we get sin 75 degree equals to value of sin 30 1 half into cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 into sin 45 1 by root 2. So which is equals to 1 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. So we get value of sin 75 degree. So therefore A as to B as to C equals to 1 by root 2 as to root 3 by 2 as to 1 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. So here we take denominator LCM as 2 root 2 and multiplying 2 root 2 to each terms. So we get A as to B as to C equals to 2 as to root 6 as to 1 plus root 3, and this is the ratio of sides of triangle ABC. Next example. In triangle ABC, prove that sin b minus c upon 2 equals to b minus c upon a into cos of a by 2. So in triangle ABC, by sine rule, we have a upon sine a equals to b upon sine b equals to c upon sine c equals to k. Say, so we get a equals to k sine a, b equals to k sine b, c equals to k sine c. So LHS, consider LHS b minus c upon a cos of a by 2. Here we consider RHS first. So we get k sine b minus k sine c upon k sine a into cos of a by 2 equals to sin b minus sin c upon sin a into cos a by 2. So which is equals to 2 times sin b minus c upon 2 into cos b plus c upon 2. So we use sin c minus sin d formula. So say this as equation first. But a plus b plus c equals to pi implies b plus c equals to pi minus a, and which implies b plus c upon 2 equals to pi by 2 minus a by 2. So cos b plus c by 2 equals to cos pi by 2 minus a by 2, and which is equals to sin a by 2. So put the value of cos b plus c by 2 as sin a by 2 in equation first. So substituting 2 in equation first, we get RHS equals to 2 sin b minus c upon 2 into sin a by 2 upon sin a into cos a by 2, which is equals to 2 times sin b minus c upon 2 into, we use here formula sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. So we take this cos a by 2 multiplying this term in numerator, so we get sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So we write down sin b minus c upon 2 into, take 2 as multiply with sin a by 2 cos a by 2 upon sin a, and this value 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 becomes sin a by allied angle formulas half angle. We use here half angle formulas sin a equals to 2 times sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So sin a cancel. So we get sin b minus c upon 2 equals to LHS, and therefore sin b minus c upon 2 equals to b minus c upon a into cos a by 2. Next example. In triangle ABC, if a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to 4, then prove that the triangle is obtuse angle. So see solution. We know that the angle opposite to largest side of triangle is the largest angle of the triangle. So here side AB is the largest side, and therefore C is the largest angle of triangle ABC, to show that C is obtuse angle. So largest side of triangle is C, so C angle is largest angle. So cos C equals to a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab by cosine rule. So we get 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square upon 2 into 3 into 4. We substitute the values of ABC. So which is equals to minus 3 by 24 equals to minus 1 by 8. As C is negative, so C is obtuse angle. Because value of this angle cos C is negative, and cos C is negative in second quadrant or third quadrant. So the angle C in second quadrant, so it is negative and it is obtuse angle. Therefore triangle ABC is obtuse angle triangle. So next example, in triangle ABC, prove that A into bracket B cos C minus C cos B equals to B square minus C square. So solution, LHS equals to A into bracket B cos C minus C cos B. So equals to AB cos C minus AC cos B. So equals to 1/2. Multiplying by 1/2, we take an adjustment here. So 2AB cos C minus 2AC cos B. So equals to 1/2 into bracket A square plus B square minus C square minus C square plus A square minus B square by cosine rule. We substitute the values and then we get 1/2 into bracket A square plus B square minus C square minus C square minus A square plus B square. So we get 1/2 into 2B square minus 2C square, so equals to B square minus C square and is RHS. Next example. In triangle ABC, prove that A into bracket B cos C minus C cos B equals to B square minus C square. So we multiplying both twos, then take same examples. We see the above. Now next example, in triangle ABC, prove that A plus B cos C plus B plus C cos A plus C plus A cos B equals to A plus B plus C. So consider LHS, A plus B cos C, B plus C cos A plus C plus A cos B. So we open the brackets, A cos C plus B cos C plus B cos A plus C cos A plus C cos B plus A cos B. We collect the term A cos C plus C cos A, B cos A plus A cos B and C cos B plus B cos C. So equals to ABC by projection rule and we get RHS. Next example, in triangle ABC, prove that A into bracket cos C minus cos B equals to 2 times B minus C cos square A by 2. So consider by projection rule, we have A cos C plus C cos A equals to B and A cos B plus B cos A equals to C. So therefore A cos C equals to B minus C cos A and A cos B equals to C minus B cos A. So LHS A cos C minus cos B, substitute A cos C minus A cos B, value of A cos C and A cos B is B minus C cos A minus C minus B cos A. So we get B minus C cos A minus C plus B cos A. So B minus C plus B minus C cos A. So B minus C into bracket, B minus C is common. So we get 1 plus cos A and value of 1 plus cos A is 2 times cos square A by 2. And so we get final answer 2 times B minus C cos A square by 2. So we get RHS. Get it? Now next example. Prove that cosine rule using the projection rule. We have to prove cosine rule. So solution, we have to given in triangle ABC, A equals to B cos C plus C cos B, B equals to C cos A plus A cos C, and C equals to A cos B plus B cos A. This is the projection rule. Now we want to find cosine rule, so we get A square, B square, C square. So multiplying these equation by ABC respectively. First equation by A, second equation by B, and third equation by C. So we get A square equals to AB cos C plus AC cos B, B square equals to BC cos A plus AB cos C, and C square equals to AC cos B plus BC cos A. So adding A square plus B square minus C square, we get AB cos C plus AC cos B plus BC cos A plus AB cos C minus AC cos B plus BC cos A. Open the brackets. So we get AB cos C plus AC cos B plus BC cos A plus AB cos C minus AC cos B minus BC cos A. So which is equals to 2 times AB cos C. And now A square plus B square minus C square equals to 2AB cos C implies. Similarly, we prove that A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A, and B square equals to C square plus A square minus 2CA cos B, and it is cosine rule. Next example. With usual notation, prove that 2 into bracket A sin square C by 2 plus C sin square A by 2 equals to A minus B plus C. So consider LHS 2 into bracket A sin square C by 2 plus C sin square A by 2. So equals to 2 times A into bracket 1 minus cos C upon 2 plus C into bracket 1 minus cos A upon 2. So which is equals to A minus A cos C. So here 2 multiplying with 2, 2 cancel, and multiplying with A minus A cos C and C minus C cos A. So we get A plus C minus A cos C plus C cos A. So we get A plus C minus B by projection rule. And therefore which is equals to A minus B plus C, which is RHS. Now we take next example. In triangle ABC, prove that A cube sin B minus C plus B cube sin C minus A plus C cube sin A minus B equals to 0. So in triangle ABC, by sine rule, we have sin A upon A, sin B upon B equals to sin C upon C equals to K, implies sin A equals to AK, sin B equals to BK, sin C equals to CK. So consider A cube equals to A cube sin B minus C equals to A cube sin B cos C minus sin C cos B. So equals to A cube into bracket BK cos C minus CK cos B. So A square K AB cos C minus AC cos B. A square K into bracket AB using cosine rule, A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB minus AC, A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC by cosine rule. So which is equals to A square K, A square plus B square minus C square upon 2 minus A square plus C square minus B square upon 2. So we get K by 2 A square into bracket A square plus B square minus C square minus A square minus C square plus B square. So we get K by 2 A square twice B square minus twice C. Take 2 outside the bracket. So we get K A square B square minus C square. So a cube sin b minus c equals to ka square into bracket b square minus c square. Similarly, we prove that b cube equals to sin c minus a kb square c square minus a square and c cube sin a minus b equals to kc square a square minus b square. So now LHS. So substitute the values of these. So we get ka square into bracket b square minus c square plus kb square into bracket c square minus a square plus kc square a square minus b square. So equals to k into bracket a square b square minus a square c square plus a square b square c square minus b square a square plus c square a square minus c square b square. So we get 0, and which is equals to RHS. So we get LHS equals to RHS. Next. In triangle ABC, if quad A, quad B, quad C are in AP, then show that A square, B square, C square are also in AP. So given that quad A, quad B, quad C are in AP, so quad A plus quad C equals to 2 quad B. Therefore cos A upon sin A plus cos C upon sin C equals to 2 times cos B upon sin C. We use formula for quad. Therefore, by cosine rule, b square value of cos A, value of cos B, and value of cos C substitute, and by sine rule, we substitute the values of sin A, sin C, and sin B. So we get b square plus c square upon a square upon 2bc whole divided by ak. So we divide. So we get next step b square plus c square minus a square upon 2k abc plus a square plus b square minus c square upon 2k abc equals to 2 c square plus a square minus b square upon 2k abc. So b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus b square minus c square upon 2 equals to c square plus a square minus b square. So we get 2b square upon 2 equals to c square plus a square minus b square. So we get b square equals to c square plus a square minus b square. So we get b square plus b square equals to 2c square plus a square, and a square plus c square equals to twice b square. So therefore a square plus b square plus c square are in AP. Next example. In a triangle ABC, A cos A equals to B cos B. Then prove that the triangle is right angle or an isosceles triangle. So we have to give one. In triangle ABC by sine rule, A upon sin A equals to B upon sin B equals to K implies A equals to K sin A and B equals to K sin B. So now we have to give one that A cos A equals to B cos B. Substitute value of A and B. So we get K sin A cos A equals to K sin B cos B. So sin A cos A equals to sin B cos B. Cancel K from both sides. Now we multiplying both sides by 2. So we get 2 sin A cos A equals to 2 sin B cos B. So we get sin 2A equals to sin 2B. Now sin 2A minus sin 2B equals to 0. So use here sin C minus sin D. So we get 2 times cos A plus B, sin A minus B equals to 0. So 2 cos pi minus C into sin A minus B equals to 0. So A plus B plus C equals to pi. So value of A plus B equals to pi minus C. And cos pi minus C equals to minus cos C. So we get minus 2 times cos C sin A minus B equals to 0. This implies cos C equals to 0 or sin A minus B equals to 0. Any one term is 0. But we know that C equals to pi by 2 or A minus B equals 0 because cos pi by 2 is 0 or sin 0 is 0. So we get A minus B equals to 0 and C equals to pi by 2. Anyone is true. So C equals to pi by 2 or A equals to B. And therefore, C equals to pi by 2 implies triangle ABC is right angle triangle, and A equals to B implies triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And therefore, the triangle is right angle or an isosceles triangle. Now, next example. With usual notation, prove that 2BC cos A plus AC cos B plus AB cos C equals to A square plus B square plus C square. So solution, consider LHS equals to 2BC cos A plus AC cos B plus AB cos C. Multiplying 2 to each term, so we get 2BC cos A plus 2AC cos B plus 2AB cos C. So 2BC by cosine rule, value of cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC plus 2AC C square plus A square minus B square upon 2CA plus 2AB A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. So B square plus C square minus A square plus C square plus A square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus C square. So we get A square plus B square plus C square. So we get RHS. Therefore, 2BC cos A plus AC cos B plus AB cos C equals to A square plus B square plus C square. Thank you.